Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Explorer key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes, saving you time and money. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new 3-volt lithium coin battery, often a CR2032, and a small flathead screwdriver or a coin. Having a well-lit, clean area will make this task much easier and prevent losing any small parts. Now, let's open your key fob. Many Ford Explorer key fobs have a small release button on the side or back. Press this button and carefully slide out the hidden emergency key. This key often reveals a small notch or slot, which is your entry point. This opening is where we will begin to gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing, so be careful not to damage it. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry apart the two halves of the fob. Once open, you will see the old coin battery. Carefully remove it, noting its orientation. Now, insert your new 3-volt lithium battery, ensuring the positive side faces up or matches the orientation of the old battery. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until they snap securely into place, ensuring there are no gaps. Reinsert the emergency key into its slot until it clicks firmly. Now, test your key fob by locking and unlocking your Ford Explorer to confirm it is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.